Okay, so after you've restored any of the websites through WP Clone, you need to log into WordPress admin and come to permalinks. It's under settings, permalinks, and it will have changed. We've got it on a custom structure, you see, but it will have changed it back to the default custom structure, which is terrible for SEO. So you need to change it to percentage title percentage, and that's it for the custom structure. No category, no nothing else, no forward slashes. Actually, that's not true, there's a forward slash there, obviously. So that's the custom URL structure. It's really, really important to change this on every single site that you restore through WP Clone. Click on Save Changes. That should be up to date now, that's fine. Just check it by going to a page. Let's pick this one and check the permanent structure up here. It's the website forward slash the page title, so that's perfect basically. The next thing that you need to do, if you've checked that the site is okay, so after you've checked everything, which I just have on Villas in Pagdelouche, I noticed that Wushoop wasn't installed, so I've installed that and got that working again, which you don't need to know, but yeah. After you've checked everything and you know it's all working, you've checked all the images, all the forms, all the buttons, everything, you're totally confident everything's working, including Wishloop. So you've checked everything, you're happy with it. Then you need to do some tidying up, and it's really important this step as well. It's not just me being anal. First of all, go to plugins. Because it's a new WordPress install, there'll be the Hello Dolly plugin. Delete this. This isn't as essential, but it's good practice. If you leave it there, it's potentially become a vulnerability at some point in the future because we'll never update it because we're not interested in it and it's just taking up space. And then really important is to delete the WP Clone plugin, because this bastard has got all kinds of permissions and access to a server. So if the guy doesn't keep up to date on his security, or if we forget to update or whatever, then hackers can get access to vulnerabilities in the plugin, and they've got access to our server through any one of our sites. If we leave a plugin in one of them, they can get access to everything on the server. So definitely delete WP Clone. That needs to go. Obviously, after you've checked everything, you're happy with it, but that absolutely has to go before you move on from any of the sites. Okay, I was going to say that we should then log into SiteGround and delete the large zip file that we uploaded, but it might actually be a good idea to leave it on there. I think we've got loads of space on SiteGround. It won't be slowing anything down, and it is just another backup in case something goes wrong in the future, or we've missed something whilst checking that they're working and stuff. So yeah, I think we'll leave that there. What else? There's something else we can do. There's a few speed options. Most of them we'll come back to, but one of them you can do straight away if it's not Flex Squeeze. If it's Divi, or actually I haven't tested your ones. You need to test out to each one, but most likely they'll all work apart from Flex Squeeze. It's a really simple one. It's turning on PHP 7 rather than PHP 5 that's on at the moment. So all you do, you go into Control Panel, you find, what else is it called? PHP Version Manager. Click on that. Click on the website you want to change. So, for example, HCK Homes. Again, I'm not going to change Villas in Pagdelouche because funnily enough, it's already on PHP 5.6. I think I'd started setting this up way back when, and then realised I didn't have access to the other server, and I've left it for you. But anyway, so anything on Flex Squeeze 2 needs to be on 5.6 at the maximum. Anything else can go on to a latest version of PHP. So HCK Homes. 7.11. Save. Go back. And you'll see it in here. Make sure you don't do, obviously make sure it's in this level and not in the root, otherwise everything will go into PHP 7 and fuck up all the FlexSqueeze 2 ones. Because FlexSqueeze does not work on PHP 7, which is pretty shit. This makes a huge difference to the speed. PHP 7 almost doubles the speed, just changing the PHP version. Yeah, we'll definitely have Modern Tribe Kitchens on PHP 7 whilst we're here. Both the mobile version and the other version. As a side note, if you do notice you get any problems in the future after you've done this, in fact I'm going to leave this off now, simply because Tom's still trying to build it and we're still trying to do stuff, and if we get problems we might not realise that it's because it's on the very latest PHP version. Sometimes the developers haven't started using a new PHP code and stuff. So we'll change the Modern Tribe Kitchens when we come around to speeding it up, because this is a site that we're still building. Any of the sites that you're moving over should be finished ideally. We're not still in progress on them, so basic rule, if it's FlexSqueeze 2, leave it on default or put it on PHP 5. Default for everything is PHP 5, so just leave it on that. If it's not FlexSqueeze 2, then you can pop it on PHP 7 and that will make a really nice difference to the speed. Jamie is... Oh, you haven't done it yet, so yeah, I'll leave that one for you. So if you try Jamie, I don't think it's... Oh no, he's FlexSqueeze 2, so we can't do that. Yeah, alright, that's that.